What's up YouTube? Thanks for checking out my video. My name is Pablo Pixfx here at Forex for Beginners, and this video is all about our performance this week in our free Telegram group. Alright, so we've been setting out signals all week since Wednesday of this week, earlier this week, and we sent out a total of 20 signals, guys. 20 signals, or system generated total of 20 signals, and they were all surefire profit. And I'm so excited just to go through those trades with you guys and actually analyze some of those setups, just so you can see how accurate and how safe our signal system is. You'll see how it works. We use a total of 3 take profit levels and a stop loss zone, so you're always using appropriate risk management. Alright, but if you're not already a subscriber to our channel, guys, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. It's all free. Alright, not a dime. Well, this signal system will be free for up to 3 months, but I don't know. Go check it out, see what's in there. So kicking off this video real quick, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up our Telegram channel here. If you're not already a member, and if you're new, all the links for these are in the description. Alright, so we're going to start off by looking at CADJPY. Alright, so the first signals we sent out. Now the first signals that we sent out was CADJPY. Like I said, I sent out a total of 20 signals this week, guys. Let me see if I can. Just trying to do a search. There we go. So those are all the signals that were sent out. The first one was CADJPY, as you see right here. So we're going to go ahead and analyze that setup. So let's go over to TradingView. Alright, and if you don't know what TradingView is, guys, it's just simply a platform where professional traders use to analyze their trade setups for the most accurate entries. Alright, so it's a really helpful tool. If you're not already a part of TradingView, I'll leave my link for that in the description. And as usual, guys, the more you use our links, the more you get access to exclusive member benefits. Alright, really powerful stuff. Other YouTube channels are charging for signals like these. I need you to understand the value that you have in front of you, guys. This is a one-stop shop channel to get all your Forex needs. We have account management, we have signal systems, we have it all, and all are surefire profit. Alright, so if you're not already a subscriber, again, hit that subscribe button, guys, and hit that notification bell. It's going to do a lot for you. Alright, so first signal is USDJPY, and here we have it right here on our Telegram. So it was a buy, right? But why did we get that signal to buy? If we go over to, I have it already pulled up here on TradingView. If we go over to CADJPY, all you would do is type in tradingview.com, or even click the link in the description to get over there. Once you do that, it would click on charts, and then it would take you to the screen where you would then type in CADJPY, and it will take you to this screen, and you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so right off the bat, guys, if we take a look on CADJPY on the 1 hour chart, this was sent in the 30-minute time frame. So, I mean, we could do 30 minutes as well. Let's see if I can find that 30-minute. Alright, so we found a 30-minute chart here. Alright, what is that? Alright, so now we're on the 30-minute chart. Alright, right off the bat, we can still see that the trend is bearish. Alright, and how do we do that? We draw our trend lines just so they can touch. Alright, so boom. There's our trend line. It's a very rough trend line, but it's just to kind of get the point, right? So boom, we have price moving and just trying to break our trend line right here. All right, and as you can see at these areas right here, it went and broke it. All right, it broke that trend line right there, and that right here caused a signal to be generated. All right, so a signal was generated for that, because now we clearly see that the trend has now switched from a bearish momentum to a bullish momentum, breaking out of that resistance level right here, And again, I'll be teaching you all about resistance zone. So if you look carefully right here, a resistance zone is right here, right? And then it broke this level of resistance right here. All right. So it broke the level of support going down right here, right? Then it broke the resistance level in these areas right here. So we're now seeing somewhat bullish, all right, momentum. So we got that signal right here. And if we should go to the 1 hour chart as well, we can see that strong bullish push, all right, from areas right here all the way to here. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can use this tool as well. So there's that strong bullish push. All right, and we're seeing this on the 1 hour chart. So that means if the signal was generated on the 30-minute chart, that means it's a very valid signal. All right, and as usual, as procedure, we have our 3 take profit levels, right, and our stop loss. Okay, so like I said, guys, very properly risk manage setups and trades provided in our Telegram group. A lot of members are just cashing in. All right, but we're going to go ahead and just quickly look at the rest of the signals we got. All right, so CAD JPY was one. Let's see the next signal here. And I don't want to make this video too long. Trying to please YouTube as usual. So the next one was USD JPY, and that was also on the 30-minute chart. So over to TradingView we go. We go ahead and type in USD JPY. Here. Get rid of this. So now we're at USD JPY. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. All right, and it was also a buy signal for USD JPY. So the buy signal generated somewhere here as usual. All right, just when price took out this high, these equal highs right here. All right, let me see if I can all right, that equal high right there was up there. Switch that to a different color. How about this? Perfect. Alright, so right here, guys, as you can see, when price broke these equal highs right here, and if I can zoom in, I love that I should be doing zoom in for you guys. Alright, so price broke this high right here. We saw that. Alright, a signal was generated. What level is this? What level is this over on Telegram? So TP1 would be 132.800. Let's go ahead and check on that. So what would be TP1? 132.800. 132.8. Boom. Alright, so TP1 was smashed with that, as you can see, guys. And the next TP was 134.239. 134.239.134.2. Boom. All right. Wait. 2, 3. Yeah. All right. So we're at 2.5. Boom. TP2 was smashed on that trade, and then TP3. Let's see. TP3 was a miss, I believe. Yeah, we didn't quite get to TP3, but we were able to manage some profits and secure some profits there on that USD JPY trade as well. So that's 2 signals already in fire profit, guys. That played out perfectly in our Telegram channel. Yeah, but I don't want to make this video too long, guys. I want to keep it under 10 minutes thereabout. But go ahead, check out the links in the description. Next week will be another fire trading week in our signals group. Also, we have funded challenges, account management, automated passing of prop firm challenges coming up shortly. Stay tuned. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, guys. Follow us on Instagram and stay active in our Telegram channel, man. Stay active. Like, we don't know how long this will be going for. Like I said, it's a fairly new completed system, very profitable system, going well, and it should be running for a period of 60 days totally free, and then after that it will become a paid membership. All right, guys, so really trying to put this out there so you guys can actually get the most of it, all right now, when it's at its best. All right, so until next time, guys, thank you for checking out my video. Happy trading.